Hi guys, how can you create this pop-out halftone effect in Photoshop? First, make sure you have a white background. Go to File, New. Apply the required document settings. Click Create. Now insert your image. I already have mine, so I'll turn the eye icon on. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery. Select Texture, Grain. Apply these settings. Grain type enlarged. Intensity 80. Contrast 90. Click the plus icon to add another filter. Go to Artistic, Film Grain. Apply these settings. Grain 1. Highlight area 6. Intensity 6. Press OK. Now go to Filter. Pixelate, Color, Halftone. Apply these settings. Maximum radius 5. Channel 1, 25. Channel 2, 13. Channel 3, 5. Channel 4, 0. Press OK. That's it. Now zoom in to see the pop-out halftone effect clearly. This is how you can create the 4-part halftone effect in Photoshop.